The brave little ant. Once upon a time, in a tiny garden, there was a little ant named Andy. Andy was smaller than the other ants, but he was very brave. One day, while the ants were gathering food for the winter, a huge storm came. The wind blew fiercely and the rain poured down. The other ants ran to their homes to stay safe, but Andy saw something that made him stop. A big leaf was about to be carried away by the wind, and on that leaf was a small, helpless bug trying to hold on. Without thinking twice, Andy rushed over and held onto the edge of the leaf. Using all his strength, he pulled the leaf back toward the ground. The little bug was saved. It thanked Andy and said, "You are so brave, even though you're so small." Andy smiled and said, "Sometimes even the smallest of us can do big things." The storm passed and the ants went back to their work. Andy felt proud of his actions, knowing that bravery doesn't depend on size. Moral: no matter how small you are, you can make a big difference with courage and kindness. Thank you. Follow for more. Subscribe this channel. Bye bye. See you next time.